Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Hair and share alike.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box. Look, a hairbrush.
And a comb. We can make pretty hairdos.
For poodles.
In Poodleville.
Yeah.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran down the fanciest street in Poodleville, straight to their very own hair salon.
Oh, it's fabulous.
Yeah, I can't wait for our first customer.
You mean customers?
Woofy and Puffy Poodle! Wow!
We are competing tonight in the Wolfminster Dog Show.
And we need chic, new hairdos.
What style?
Amazing!
Then amazing it is.
Have a seat.
Let's get started, Miss Poofy. Kit, if we do a good job, everyone will come to our salon.
Yeah, and I'm gonna make Woofy just wow! Now, let's see. I'll need curlers, this gel, ribbon, sparkles, and this fur dye. That's everything. Okay, Woofy, a few curlers ought to do the trick.
Ooh, the curlers!
Voila! Now gel.
Ooh, curlers. Great idea.
No, Kate, those are mine. I took them off the shelf.
But you're not using all of them.
Doesn't matter. They're mine.
Fine. Some ribbon would be nice.
Yes, ribbon. Divine.
No, Kate, that's my ribbon.
But there's plenty for both of us.
But it's my ribbon.
Then this is going to be my fur color.
Hey, give it back, or Woofy won't be beautiful.
The nerve!
Outrageous.
Hey, let go!
You let go!
No, it's mine!
No, it's mine!
Is not!
Is too! Let it go!
Disaster!
You'll never style in this town again!
Wow! They're the worst hairdos I ever seen!
What did we do?
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
We were supposed to make the poodles amazing hairdos, but all we made was an amazing mess.
How'd that happen?
Kate grabbed the fur color, and it spilled everywhere.
Why did you grab it?
'Cause Kit wouldn't share it. He wouldn't share anything.
Because it was mine.
Yours? Did you bring everything from home?
No, I got everything from the shelf.
But aren't those things for everyone to use?
Yeah, but I needed them.
So did I.
And what would have happened if you'd shared?
Well, I guess Kate wouldn't have gotten mad, and then the fur color wouldn't have spilled, and the poodles wouldn't have run away. Hey, I understand. If you share, then everyone gets a chance to do what they want to do.
Said with style.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, we'll share all the supplies, no matter who gets them first. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their poodle styling adventure all over again. But this time...
Kate, try these curlers. I've got plenty.
Thanks.
Here, try putting mousse on the curlers.
Wow!
And here's some ribbon for a bow.
Now, let's give them each a touch of color.
Show me how.
Like this.
Voila!
Très magnifique. With these doggy-doos, we're sure to win the dog show.
How about one for the camera?
Smile pretty.
Simply stunning.
Who did your hair?
Kit and Kate, of course.
We'd never use anyone else.
Thanks to Kit and Kate, Woofy and Puffy won first prize at the dog show. And that's nothing to bark at.
We did it. We did it.
Woohoo!
What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Home Sweet Home.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Look, an invitation.
Hansel and Gretel have invited us to lunch at their gingerbread house.
When?
Right now.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran straight through the woods to Hansel and Gretel's gingerbread house.
Oh, Goody, you made it!
Wow, those chair legs look like peppermint sticks.
Just because they are peppermint sticks.
You mean you can eat all of this?
Yeah, sure.
What smells so good?
That's the special lunch we made just for you. Cream soup and fish fritters.
Those are our favorites.
And there's a special surprise for dessert.
What is it?
If we told you, it wouldn't be a surprise. We'll be right back with the soup.
This candlestick tastes like licorice.
And this lamp tastes like a sugar cookie. Yummy.
I wonder what these crayons taste like.
Yuck. Like crayons.
Kate, the television looks like chocolate.
It is chocolate.
Lunch is served. First course, dreamy, creamy soup.
Sorry. I guess we're just not hungry for soup.
It's okay. You'll love the next course. Fish fritters.
Sorry, we can't eat that either.
What a shame. We made them just for you. Yeah, well, we'll just have to go straight to the big surprise. 5-layer triple chocolate fudge cake.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We can't eat a bite.
But we worked so hard to make your favorites.
Oh, we really hurt their feelings.
I feel terrible.
And so does my stomach.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's the matter, kitties?
We ruined the lunch Hansel and Gretel made for us.
How did you ruin it?
We didn't eat any of the food they made.
Not the cream soup, or the fish fritters, or the triple fudge cake.
You don't like those foods?
Are you kidding? We love them.
Then why didn't you eat them?
We weren't hungry.
How come? Did you eat lunch before you came?
No, but I did eat some licorice candlestick.
And I ate some sugar cookie lamp.
And we shared the whole TV set.
But why did you eat all that candy if it was almost lunchtime?
'Cause it tasted so good.
And how did lunch taste after all of that candy?
We don't know 'cause it ruined our appetites.
And Hansel and Gretel's feelings.
I understand. Sweets taste delicious, but too many of them can really spoil your appetite.
And that can make the whole meal a lot less fun for everyone.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. Only this time, we'll wait until after lunch to eat sweets.
So everyone can enjoy the meal together. Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their gingerbread house adventure all over again. But this time when they saw all of the sweet things.
A licorice candlestick. I bet it's delicious.
Not as delicious as the sugar cookie lamp.
Or this chocolate television. Want a taste?
Just a tiny one. We don't want to spoil our appetites.
Lunch is served.
And by not spoiling their appetites, Kit and Kate were able to enjoy the most delicious lunch they'd ever had.
5-layer triple chocolate fudge cake.
Just a little piece, please.
Yeah, we want to save room for some TV.